So now let's see how we can work around with alignment options inside a Photopea. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab a rectangular tool right here, just like this, and then grab in another rectangular tool over here as well, and then make a bunch of rectangular tools just like this. So now let's say, for example, I want to align all of these right here. In that case, I can click and drag around to select it, and then you can see that you can go ahead and align this to the left edges right here, just like this. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and around over here you can center align it, or you can right align it right here as well. You can top align it. I'm pressing Ctrl Z to go back to the previous state, and I can center it out vertically right here and align it from the bottom edge or the top edge right here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. And then you can also have equal gaps. So let's say, for example, I have let me just go around and draw out some more shapes right here, just like this. Let's just go around and draw out shapes. I can go ahead and select out all right here, and then I can go ahead and align it to the center. And then I can add in gaps in between so that all of them are equal, as you can see right there. You can also align everything out to a grid, and let's say I'm going to align it to 3 by, let's say, for example, 3 by, let's say, for example, let me just add in a grid right here, auto align, and everything gets aligned onto a column, as you can see right here. You can also go around, align it to column 2 right here, and similarly everything gets aligned right here, just like this. But let's say I don't want the gap, so let me just go around and change around the vertical gap right here. Auto align is there, and you can change around the column as you like, and everything gets aligned in a column just like that right there. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the alignment options inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.